Hello, first grade scientists, and welcome to your science job for today. Or should I say, first grade engineers. Today and tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday, we are going to be working on an engineering project where we walk through the whole design process. Ask a question, imagine a solution, plan our project, create and test our project, and work to improve our project or make it better. What will our project be? We are going to create a troll-proof goat bridge. You at home are going to use things in your space to create a troll-proof goat bridge. Let's first identify our problem with a little story. The two small billy goats got across the bridge by tricking the troll. The largest goat used his big horns to toss the troll into the river. The goats happily munched grass in the green pastures. After a few hours, the goats wanted to go home. They went back to the bridge, but the troll was there again. He was fuming. Not only was he still hungry, he was also hurt. That made him even more angry. The big goat wanted to toss the troll again, but the little goat had another idea. I read 101 fun facts about trolls last year, and I think we can get back across another way. Did you know that trolls have acrophobia? The little goat asked his brothers. Acro what? The largest goat wondered. He stopped chewing on the grass and waited for a response. The small goat explained, "It means trolls are afraid of heights. We can build a bridge that is much taller than the troll. Then he will not bother us. He will be too scared to go up that high." The little goat remembered that trolls have other phobias too. Trolls are also afraid of small spaces like closets and small rooms. This fear is called claustrophobia, he said. Then he drew a picture to show the animals that trolls fear. He wrote what each phobia is called. The middle goat suggested using at least 2 of the phobias to design a new troll-proof bridge. We can make it high and have spiders on it. We could make it enclosed and full of worms. There are so many ways to make the bridge, the middle goat said to his brothers. Now, first graders, help design a bridge for the goats. Draw a picture of what it will look like in the box below. Label your drawing. You have this booklet in your packet this week. Your job is to walk through the design process using this booklet. Here, you will design your bridge. Next, you will list the materials that you used. What are the materials that you used? Were you able to build a bridge for the goats that the troll would avoid? How could you improve the bridge? How could you make it better? Draw a picture and write a description. Answer the questions on the back about your bridge. Here, I have created an example of what my bridge would look like. As you can see, I have made my bridge tall. I have included some of the phobias. Do you see the troll phobias that I have included in my bridge? Do you think the goats will be able to safely cross? I cannot wait to see what your engineering brain comes up with. Once you have completed your design, use the checklist to double check. I used 2 or more phobias to design the bridge. I planned my idea with a picture and/or words. I created a bridge based on my idea. I tested my bridge. I improved my design if it needed improving. I worked hard on this challenge. Once you have completed your bridge, double check with the checklist. All right, have fun, engineers. I'll see you next time.